I'm only lost 2. Okay, that's what you take. All right, T2 micro, the key pair. Where's my key? That's my key. Frank dev keys. Do I have Frank dev keys? Let me check. Okay, I have it. I still have it. So key pair, Frank dev keys, networking, Frank VPC, Frank sub 3. That's okay. Security group, Frank SG. Perfect. We are good. Launch. We are good, guys. View instance. All right, so let's just wait for that guy to come up. Web server. So it's coming up. So great. So it's coming up. It's coming up. All right, it's up. So connect, copy, come over here. Bam. All right. So now we are doing everything from scratch. So I'll be installing my Apache and the likes. All right. So I'll say yum install httpd-y. So yum, when you see this kind of thing, there's a process currently using yum. Right? This thing will continue. Okay. You can see it has released it. So we install Apache. So now we need to git clone that website that we did yesterday. Let me check this guy. Let's go to var www HTML. All right. So let me check for history. I did history. Let's check for the e-commerce site. All right. The e-commerce site was it interior design? Let's check. What was that e-commerce site? Okay, it was this guy. So great. So copy this guy like this. Copy it. Copy. Come over here. Go to var www. All right. Then I need to create a directory, mkdir. Let me call it ecom. Let's call it ecom. Keep it simple, guys. Now go into ecom, all right, and install git. Yum install git. So after installing git, then we can git initialize. Perfect. Now do a git clone. Can do a git clone now of that guy. Perfect. We now have it. So let me open everything inside of this guy. So I will say I'm going to move everything inside here into this current directory, which I have now. I'll now remove this ecom directory. So I don't want it. So these are ecom sites. All right. So what's my public IP? My public IP of this guy will be, let's check, web server. That's a public IP. Let's try to launch our website. Launch it. It's not coming yet because the service is not up and running. So I'll say systemctl restart httpd. Started. Refresh this guy. Okay. So why is my website not coming? Let's check. Okay, it's serving this guy from, there's an index of HTML from this default page. There's an index of HTML, all right? Because I've not configured my virtual host. So let's configure our virtual host. So I'll go to etc, I'll create a file, etc httpd conf.d. So under here, I'm going to create a virtual host. I'll call it ecom.conf, all right? So I'm going to say vim ecom.conf. ecom.conf. So in here, I'm going to go back to what we have on this guy, etc httpd conf.d, then e-commerce. I'll copy this content, copy this virtual host, copy it, come over here and paste it. Great. And my document root is just ecom. It's just ecom. That's it, guys. All right. Escape, save, and quit. Now let's restart. Let's restart our service. httpd. It has been restarted. So if I refresh my website now, I should have my e-commerce site. Guys, understand this thing, though. Document root, very key, because the default is var slash www slash html. That's the default. So I don't want to work with the default. I want to work with my own. So in as much as you want to work with your own, you have to change it somewhere. All right. So which we just did. Great. Now I need to give this guy a domain name, right? So for that domain name, I'm going to shut down this other guy. Not really shutting it down, but rather I'm going to replace my public key, sorry, my public IP address with what I have on my Route 53, so that it's going to point to my new website, Route 53. So I could change the name so that it doesn't look as if we are hosted zone. All right. Hosted zone. Come to, where's that guy? It was this guy. Ecom. So ecom. Let me delete this guy. Or if I edit it, can you? Okay, I can edit the name. Ecom with double M. Ecom with double M. Then my IP has changed. It is ecom with double M. I have saved it. Let me click on it. Now let's use this name. So it's going to take some time. So this guy is going to take some time to propagate. Okay, it has gone. So ecom with double M. So if I check this other guy, this guy is off now. This guy is no longer available, right? Because I've removed the IP. That's okay. So ecom with double M is our new website. Now with this guy, we want to use this guy to implement Let'sEncrypt. To implement what? Let'sEncrypt. So we are all set, guys. Let's get started. Now coming back to business as usual, right? I need to install all of these. But now we are told that the only way to install EPEL, to enable EPEL release package, is by using what? Amazon Linux 2. And here's the command. All right. So let's run this command first. So I'll go to my machine. I'll come to my machine, clear the screen. Oh, everywhere choke. Choke. Okay, I don't see space. All right. So I'll say what? Amazon Linux extras. All right. Extra install EPEL. All right. So this is how you will enable EPEL repository on Amazon Linux 2. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to enable it. Okay. Let's finish that enablement. Is ongoing. It's ongoing. Finish. No time. All right. Install fail. Okay. What kind of issue is that? Come. No time, man. No time. Oh. All right. Why? All right. So this guy is completed. It's there now. All right. Now let's go back to our main documentation. All right. I want to share this guy with you as well. Let me share this guy to enable the EPEL repository. To enable the EPEL repository. So So enable the EPEL repository that we've done. So let me close this guy. Now come to that our document. Now we've done this part. We've installed the EPEL release. Now we need to install yum utils. Let's install yum utils. So I'm going to say yum install yum-utils. Let's check. It's already installed. Great. Now the next is what? Install what? Mode_SSL. So yum install mode_SSL -y. Perfect. We've installed that. Now that we've installed this, guys, now step 3, we can now install Certbot. So Certbot is a package for implementing Let'sEncrypt, right? So we're going to install a particular Certbot for Apache. There's for Apache, there's for Nginx, all right? So take note, guys, there are different packages. So, but this is for what? Apache. So I'll come over here and I will say yum install Python. Let's check. Python. Why is not coming now? Python, waiting. Wait, oh. Python dash certbot dash Apache. Let's check. Hit enter. All right. So I'm installing what? Certbot packages. All right. So Python 2, Certbot Apache. I'll say yes. So once the installation runs its course, and yes, you can start the process to obtain a certificate by entering this guy. So this guy is done. So I have installed Certbot. So I'll use Certbot to obtain a certificate. All right. So this is what I will do. I'll say cert. Give me, no delay. Certbot space dash Apache space dash D. Then my domain name is this guy, ecom. That's my domain name. All right. That's my domain name. Come back here. That's my domain name. So, come over here. Paste it. Just the name. Just only the domain name. Enter. So let's see what happens. We are getting an error. What was it saying? The requested patch plugin does not appear to be installed. Saving debug log. Why running Apache CTL does not exist or is empty. Certificate file. Let me try something else. Let me try something else. Why am I having this error? Domain. Why am I having an error? Wait, let me run Certbot only. I come on. Saving debug the plugin selected authentication Apache installer Apache. Enter email address used for agents urgent renewal and security. Okay, let me enter email address. frankisinfotech@yahoo.com. Let me see something. Okay, wait, let me go through this method. Please read the terms of service at this. You must agree in yes. You must say yes. Yes to agree. Will you be willing, once your certificate is successfully issued, to share your email address with the Electronic Frontier Foundation? I say yes. Then account registration. Which name would you like to activate HTTPS for? This guy. Okay, it's already it is picking this guy from my file. All right, I'll show us what I did. I instead of going this route, I got an error. So I just decided to run only Certbot, right? Only Certbot, and because it's a wizard, so it's now taking me through the entire process, okay, of installing the certificate. So it's now saying, which names would you like to activate HTTPS for? It is this name. So I just need to specify the number, select the appropriate numbers separated by commas and or spaces, or leave input blank to select all options. So I'll just say 1. That's number 1. I'll press enter. So it's now requesting certificates for my domain name. Look at now. Requesting a certificate for this guy. Performing the following. Challenge fail. What's in happen? Challenge fail for domain. Oh. Sorry, guys. It's a double M. So where is it picking that guy from? So this guy is not available anymore. Is there a file that has this thing? Is there a PWD? Is there a file? Vim ecom.conf. Oh, guys, there is it, man. This domain is no longer available. It's double M. It's double M. All right. So let me restart. Restart HTTPD. Now let's run that Certbot again. Certbot. Thank you, baby. Certbot. All right. So yes, it's for this domain 1. So let's see. It's now requesting certificate for that domain. Cleaning up challenges. All right. So okay, maybe I feel so. I get okay. But that first command, wait, was it with? It was with double M now. Let me check. Let's check. And now see M now. A double M.
That file no can get the double M. So you know see him.
Oh, I see. I get you. Congratulations. You can see now. Let's see. So now that certificate clean ups. Now the certificate is now created for me, a virtual host on this location. Now my certificate has been deployed. My virtual host has been deployed, redirecting this guy. All right. Then congratulations, you have successfully enabled HTTPS for this guy. Subscribe to blah, 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 blah. Important notice, congratulations, your certificates and chain have been saved at this location. Guys, everything is done for me now. So if I go to this website, see this ecom now, if I refresh, this not secured will change to padlock. If I refresh this guy now, this is a very secure website. So this is how you can see now connection is secure. If I check, certificate is valid. You can see the common name is for ecom, blah, 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 blah. Organization not part of certificates, etc. Organization is Let'sEncrypt, common name RO3, etc., etc. So with this guy, man, you can see we have successfully, we now have a full-fledged website, a full-fledged secured website. On side, guys, on side, if you're called, to do small work, to host a website for somebody, you can just use this free Let'sEncrypt. Tell them to give you money. All right, you can collect money for certificates. Meanwhile, you just go and use a free certificate and give them a secure website. Okay. All right. You're done, man. You're done. So far, guys, you've seen our journey. You've seen how we have moved from a self-signed certificate into what? A Let'sEncrypt. All right? A Let'sEncrypt. So let me stop this recording. This will be for Let'sEncrypt.